Hi, welcome to my channel. My name's Kira. Today we're going to be doing part 2 of the peaches and cream swatches. So I said in my first video that I had another order on the way and they arrived. So I have another 10 to show you guys. So keep on watching and there will be swatches and also a little tutorial on how I got this look here. I've just prepped my arm with a glitter base. I've just used the glitter primer from NYX. We'll get into it. So, first shade, Watermelon. Next shade, Planet Peach. Next shade, Out of This World. Next shade is Show Me Love. Then we have Space Hopper. Next is Current Mood. We have Marmalade. Hocus Pocus. Snake Bite. And Super Freak. Hi, so today we have no makeup on. Before I would show you how to do the eyes and I will do the rest of my face off camera. So we're going to be using the Peaches Pigments and this bad boy, Be Perfect, and Stacey Marie Love Tahiti palette. I'm thinking of doing like a more orangey look, so I'm thinking about like these tones here, maybe the coral as well. I said in the last video that I would do my base afterwards if I was gonna do that, use them again. The thing we're gonna do actually is prime. I'm gonna use the P. Louise base. Just get it on a brush. Pop it on my lid and like tap. There we are, lids are primed. Taking the Sigma E40 blending brush, I'm going to get the shade Yellow and I'm going to apply that just above my crease. I don't really know what kind of look I'm gonna go for today, so I'm just winging it. Same on the other eye. on the Morphe M441, I'm going to take the shade Sundown. Take the shade Sundown. I'm going to apply that into the crease. And then I'm gonna go back to my Sigma brush, shade Yellow, and just blend over that quick. Like so. I'm gonna get a brush like this. I'm gonna pop on the shade Mango on that inner and outer corner.
Next to me, girl. Got the kick in every move, and I fought us like a fool for you, for you. Wish I knew just what it was, but why should I make a fuss? Just stay next to me, girl. Next to me, girl. Something special, don't know why. Something special that I like about you, about you. There's a mystery entwined, something bigger to define about you.
And then just blend that out again.
Taken by your gravity, and I just know you got that something special.
So it's looking crazy at the moment, but when we add on like mascara, lashes, the rest of my face, it'll look cute. Right, using a brush like this, I'm just gonna deepen it up slightly on the outers, and I'm gonna actually use a brown shade. So I'm gonna use this shade Clay. I'm just gonna deepen it up right. Oh, it's not Clay, it's Cocoa. Shade Cocoa. I'm gonna get a different brush for that actually. I'm gonna use the one that just comes in the Urban Decay palettes. Shade Cocoa. Out the corner. And on that inner corner. And then blend. I am going to take the shade Coral, which is a bit peachy, and actually just like blend that with that yellow colour up to the brow. There we are. And that's how we're looking so far. So I'm just going to take the P. Louise base and just pop like right in that center.
Let you go, but have you really gone? Time moves slow.
Right, so onto the fen. These are the two pigments that we're going to be using. So Space Hopper and Super Freak. I'm just going to do a dab of glitter glue in that same space where we put the P. Louise. Then we're going to take the pigment. There she is. Brush like this. And what I do is actually dip my brush in the glue on the back of my hand, just so it sticks to the brush nice. And I'm just going to apply that where we put the glue. I use my brush, get the shade Mango, and blend that all in. So I'm going to do the rest of my face and then we'll come back and do the rest of the eyes together. I'm back and the rest of my face is on. So next we're going to finish off these eyes. I'm going to take the shade Yellow on this brush and run it along my lash line. Like so. Same on the other eye. Using this brush, I'm gonna go into the shade Sundown and just run that like a tiny bit here. Blend that up a bit. So I'm going to use the same brush here, taking this shade Super Freak. I'm going to actually pop that in my inner corners. Like so. I might actually wet this in a second. Yeah, I'm gonna wet that. And so I'm actually going to wet the brush using the Iconic blending. And then I'm gonna pop it right in the inner corner.
And it's a lie when I say that I'll be fine, And in the night I tend to lose sight.
And then I'm gonna blend that out. So there we are. I'm gonna pop on some mascara and lashes and I'll be back again. So here is the finished look. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you liked it, and there will be more to come. See you soon.